4 years ago, high power was run out of my garage. Now, we are the largest residential electrical contractor in the state of Colorado. Today, I'm sitting here in our new headquarters that we move into next week, wired with Copperweld CCA building wire. This milestone is a symbol of the growth and success we have had over the past 4 years and is an investment for our continued success over the next 4 years. This success is built upon High Power's core values of empower and reward, and never say no. So when D.R. Horton asked us to look into using Copperweld building wire, we of course told them yes. By the end of the first calendar year, we were working on 10 communities and we had wired just over 700 homes. We also had been awarded our first large-scale multifamily project. Of those 700 homes, 80% of them were wired with Copperweld CCA building wire. That first multifamily project we won was wired with Copperweld building wire. This is the foundation which allowed us to sustain our 100% yearly growth for the next 3 consecutive years. Back then, builders were hearing about the benefits of Copperweld building wire, such as price stability, less theft opportunity, more energy efficiency, and their high quality standards. This led to us not only wiring 80% of our homes in Copper-Clad, but 80% of our home builders now use Copperweld building wire. High Power's success story has been incredible. We would not have been able to achieve the level of success we have had we not partnered with Copperweld at such an early stage. As a startup operating check to check, without the price stability Copperweld provides, we could not have made the financial commitments we needed to in order to achieve the level of growth we had. From my 3-car garage full of CCA building wire, so full my wife couldn't even park her car, to our new 10,000 square foot facility, Copperweld has been there as a vendor, as a resource, and as our partner. So, to be sitting in this chair now, after all these years, sharing in our success with our partner Copperweld, we look forward to the years to come.